Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to change the microphone effect sound output, which is like you can hear my sound as natural sound. I can add some alien effects and aliens and robot effect on it. All I need to do is just open your browser and then just type voice note and you'll have the first link on it. Go for downloading for free. Here you just need to enter your Google account. I already did that. So enter with Google, go for this one. And then you will have the software. Press on it. In order to install it, just press yes, press OK, go for next. I accept the agreement, next, go for next once again, and make shortcut for the icon on desktop, and then just press next for it, and you will just wait for it ready to it. Just press finish. So after you just press open to synchronize your account via OpenVoice. So after synchronizing, after opening it, just open once again the voice mode. I will just press next. Then I will select which microphone that I need to get with it. Then go next and then start using voice mode. Here's the thing guys, actually you will have everything here, how to change your audio via those. Let's say for this magic, I will wait for it. So I can test my own voice. I can change it, and there is premium packs for more voices and so on. So yeah, that's it. How to change your voice while using your microphone. I hope you like the video. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel, guys. Peace.